In this video, I'll show you how to install Netflix on your LG Smart TV running WebOS. Step 1. Turn on your LG Smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the LG Content Store. Press the Home button on your remote to open the Home menu. Select LG Content Store, the app store for LG TVs. Step 3. Search for Netflix. Use the search bar at the top and type Netflix. Select the Netflix app from the search results. Step 4. Install Netflix. Click the Install button to download and install Netflix on your TV. Step 5. Open Netflix and sign in. Once installed, open Netflix from your apps list. Enter your Netflix account email and password to sign in. Tips. If Netflix is already installed, you can find it in your app list or by pressing the dedicated Netflix button on some remotes. Make sure your TV's software is up to date for the best experience. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tutorials.